Today we'll talk about how can you find your notifications on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you to find your notifications on your Bluesky app. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find all notifications you have on your Bluesky app. Like you see here, I have no notifications yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Bluesky app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.